There is a new tension in the night sky. The universe is not simply expanding, cooling, and leaving its secrets farther behind. With every new observation, the cosmos seems to become more complicated. Galaxies collide, planets survive dead stars, black holes appear to grow before the galaxies that surround them, and ancient pieces of the Milky Way remain preserved like fossils. In 2026, the James Webb Space Telescope and Hubble are giving astronomers a remarkably detailed look at these transformations. Today, we are following 5 of the most revealing results, and asking what they tell us about the history of the universe. The first stop is Centaurus A, one of the most dramatic galaxies in our cosmic neighborhood. It lies roughly 12 million light-years away and is famous for a dark band of dust cutting across its bright central regions. In visible light, that dust hides much of the galaxy's structure. Webb sees differently. Its infrared instruments can look through dust and reveal light from stars and heated material that would otherwise be blocked. New Webb images released for the telescope's 4th science anniversary show Centaurus A as a far richer and more complicated system than earlier pictures suggested. The galaxy is shaped by a cosmic collision. Long ago, a large elliptical galaxy and a smaller spiral galaxy interacted, leaving behind a turbulent mixture of stars, dust, gas, and energetic activity. Webb's sensitivity resolves individual stars in regions that previously looked like a smooth glow. It also reveals how dust lanes, star formation, and the galaxy's active center are connected. This matters because galaxies are not static islands. Their shapes and histories are written by mergers. When two galaxies meet, gravity rearranges their stars, compresses clouds of gas, and can feed material toward a central black hole. Centaurus A is therefore more than a beautiful target. It is a nearby laboratory for studying how collisions can transform galaxies over time. Our second story moves to an even stranger destination, WD 1856b, a Jupiter-sized planet orbiting a white dwarf. A white dwarf is the compact remnant left after a star similar to the Sun exhausts its fuel and sheds its outer layers. The star is no longer carrying out normal hydrogen fusion, but it remains extremely dense and hot. The discovery of a large planet in such a tight orbit raises a difficult question. How could a planet survive the violent death of its star? Using Webb, astronomers observed WD 1856b as it passed in front of its white dwarf. That transit allowed them to measure the planet's mass and temperature, and to detect information from its atmosphere. The planet is significantly warmer than expected. Its orbit is also so close to the white dwarf that it could not have formed there in its present state under the simplest models. The leading explanation is a dramatic migration. The planet may originally have formed much farther from its star, beyond the region where giant planets commonly grow. When the star expanded during its later evolution, gravitational interactions with other planets or with the star's envelope may have pushed the surviving planet inward. The system offers a glimpse of the future solar system. Billions of years from now, the Sun will also leave behind a white dwarf. WD 1856b is not a direct prediction of Earth's fate, but it shows that planetary systems can be rearranged during stellar death, and that some worlds may survive the process in unexpected orbits. The third result reaches back toward the early universe. Webb has studied a black hole in a tiny galaxy more than 13 billion light-years away, known as Abell 2744, QS01. Because the light has traveled for so long, we see this system as it was when the universe was very young. Astronomers mapped the motion and composition of gas orbiting the central black hole. Their measurements suggest that the black hole may have formed before the galaxy around it. That possibility challenges a long-standing question in cosmic evolution. Did galaxies form first, creating dense centers that later collapsed into black holes? Or did massive black holes appear early and help their host galaxies grow around them? The new observations support a scenario in which at least some black holes began with a substantial head start. The candidate black hole is estimated at about 50 million times the mass of the Sun, while its host galaxy is tiny compared with mature galaxies today. That imbalance is important. A black hole of this size can draw in gas, produce powerful radiation, and influence how quickly stars form nearby. If the black hole truly predates its galaxy, then it may have acted as a gravitational and energetic seed, shaping the environment that eventually became the host. This does not mean every galaxy formed around a black hole in exactly the same way. Astronomy rarely offers one simple story for the entire universe. But Webb is giving researchers a chance to compare different growth pathways. The earliest galaxies may have assembled through several routes, with black holes, gas clouds, dark matter, and stellar populations interacting in a much more flexible process than older models assumed. The fourth story is closer to home, inside the Milky Way. Terzan 5, a compact stellar system toward the center of our galaxy, has often been classified as a globular cluster. Globular clusters are usually thought of as ancient, tightly bound groups of stars that formed in a single early episode. But Webb and Hubble observations now show that Terzan 5 is something more unusual. Researchers combined Webb data with 12 years of Hubble observations and found evidence for as many as 4 distinct episodes of star formation. That is not what we expect from an ordinary globular cluster. A normal cluster may contain stars of slightly different ages, but repeated bursts of star formation require access to gas and a more complex history. The emerging interpretation is that Terzan 5 is a bulge fossil fragment. Billions of years ago, primordial clumps may have formed in the young Milky Way and later spread out or merged to build the galaxy's central bulge. Most of those fragments were transformed or destroyed. Terzan 5 appears to have remained unusually intact. In that sense, it is a surviving piece of the Milky Way's construction history. Studying its stars lets astronomers reconstruct conditions that existed when our galaxy was young. It also reminds us that the Milky Way is not a perfectly organized spiral assembled in one smooth event. It is a layered structure, built from mergers, fragments, and populations of stars with different origins. The fifth result concerns one of Webb's most persistent mysteries, little red dots. These compact, reddish objects appeared in large numbers in the telescope's deep images of the early universe. They are small in appearance, but their spectra often reveal energetic activity. Are they young galaxies? Growing black holes? Or a previously unrecognized phase of cosmic evolution? A new observation has provided some of the strongest evidence yet for what researchers sometimes call black hole stars. The exact physical interpretation is still being tested, but the basic idea is that dense stellar systems and black hole activity may be intertwined. A powerful black hole can produce a spectrum that resembles the light from a compact group of stars, making the object appear deceptively small and red. Webb's advantage is that it does not rely on appearance alone. Its spectrographs separate light into its component wavelengths. Those patterns reveal temperature, chemical composition, gas motion, and the presence of material moving at extreme speeds. By comparing these signatures with models, astronomers can distinguish ordinary young stars from gas swirling around a growing black hole. If little red dots are powered by rapidly growing black holes, they may represent an important missing stage in the history of galaxies. The universe's first black holes had to grow quickly to become the massive engines found in later quasars. These compact objects could be the transition point, small, hidden systems in which black holes were gaining mass while their surrounding galaxies were still assembling. Together, these discoveries show why space telescopes are more than cameras. An image can reveal dust lanes and star clusters, but spectroscopy and repeated observations reveal motion, temperature, composition, and time. Webb's infrared vision opens windows through dust and into the young universe. Hubble provides a long record of change and precise imaging. Used together, the two observatories turn isolated snapshots into histories. There is also a common theme connecting all 5 stories. The universe is full of survivors and leftovers. Centaurus A preserves the evidence of a collision. WD 1856b may be a survivor of stellar death. Able 2744, QS01 may preserve the memory of a black hole that grew before its galaxy. Terzan 5 is a fossil fragment from the Milky Way's formation. The little red dots may preserve a short-lived phase in the birth of massive black holes. These objects are valuable because cosmic history is usually erased. Gas collapses, stars explode, galaxies merge, and structures are mixed together. Yet some systems remain detectable long enough for us to study them. Their light crosses space for millions or billions of years, carrying evidence from eras that no spacecraft could ever visit. The discoveries also make the future of astronomy especially exciting. Webb is still operating beyond its original expectations, and Hubble continues to add observations that stretch across decades. Upcoming surveys will locate many more galaxies, planets, and compact objects. As the sample grows, scientists will learn which of these 2026 results are common patterns and which are rare exceptions. For now, the message is clear. Planets can endure the death of stars. Black holes can influence galaxies from their earliest moments. Ancient galactic fragments can remain hidden in the Milky Way. And distant galaxies can reveal their history through dust, motion, and light. The universe is not a finished museum. It is an active, evolving system, and every new observation gives us another piece of its unfinished story. If you enjoyed this journey through the newest cosmic clues, subscribe to The Quiet Cosmos for more science documentaries about space, physics, and the hidden history of the universe. The next discovery may not simply add another object to the catalog. It may change the story we thought we already understood.